From WhatsApp to Netflix, let's see how you can teach your grandparents to use technology. Teaching your grandparents how to use technology is exactly like teaching alphabets to your toddlers. You need to take it slow and it requires a lot of patience. Now, you might think that teaching your grandpa or grandma how to use WhatsApp or Facebook can be as difficult as moving mountains, but it's actually not. You simply need to have a teaspoon of will to teach them and a tablespoon of patience. Take it slow, one step at a time, and you are good to go. Here are 5 things that you can do to make their digital journey a swift one. Starting with number 1. Ask them what they want to learn. What you would want to teach them might not be the thing they want the hang of. So rather, ask them to make a wish list of all the things that they want to learn on their new smartphone. The next step, make the text size on their smartphones a little larger so that they don't have to put in a lot of effort to see what's written on the screen in those tiny little letters. Number 3, it's best to start with the basics. First, you should teach them how to communicate via text message or on WhatsApp. Set up their WhatsApp account and show them how you can send a simple message, "Hello dear," to a loved one. Once they have accomplished a goal, the art of texting, you can then move on to show them how they can make voice calls and video calls on it. Now let them decide which way of communication suits them best. Take a few rounds of these calls with yourself and clear their doubts about how to receive a call or even how to flip the camera on a video call. Number 4. You can also create a guidebook which has all the steps written on how to use a feature for an application. So when you are not around to help them, they can read and follow these steps to repeat a process and explore something new. Number 5. Take a pause after every few steps to ask them, "All okay till now, or do you want a recap?" See, everyone requires a helping hand while learning something new, and this way you can be the one to your granny and grandpa. Once they have got the hang of using the basic apps on their smartphones, you can teach them to use streaming apps such as Netflix. Help them to browse through the massive content that Netflix has to offer, and the next thing you know, they have already made a watch list for themselves and have started binge watching too. Old folks are always curious to know and learn all about the new things that the new and digital generation has to offer. They simply wish to be a part of the digital world. All you have to do is to take a deep breath and help them learn, just like they would have done when you were younger. In fact, you would be surprised to see how well they can remember each step just the way you showed it to them. The thing is, learning should never stop, neither for us, nor for them. So that's all for this video, guys. If you have more tips, please share your experience below. I'm sure everyone would love to know and learn more from your experience. Also, if you find this video helpful, please share it with others too. Let us know what topics you want us to cover next. We will surely try and bring it for you. Thank you for watching.